Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Wanderlust filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -24. Highlights to -70. Shadows to +65. Whites to +50. And blacks to -50. Next go to the color panel. Temp to +6. Tint to +1. Adjust vibrance to +25. Saturation to -4. And then go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to +24. Adjust saturation to +40. Luminance to -10. Next go to orange. Hue to -13. Saturation to +10. And luminance to +10. Go to yellow. Saturation to -30. And luminance to -15. Next go to green. Hue to +15. Saturation to -20. Go to light blue. Hue to +15. Adjust saturation to -50. Next go to dark blue. Hue to -30. Adjust the saturation to -14. Luminance to +10. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +26. To Ace to +30. Then go to detail. Adjust sharpening to 8. Noise reduction to 20. and color noise reduction to 31. and finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.